Yeah, and absolutely devastating there. I mean, just sad overall. Well, our weather here looks pretty nice. It's hot. The sunset again looks gorgeous. What can you tell us, Jacob?
Well, we did wrap up a really nice day of weather today, Rosalind. Temperatures are in the 80s this afternoon, 90s across Montana. Tonight we'll be dropping down into the 60s, and tomorrow could be even hotter across southern North Dakota and into South Dakota. Near 100 in Mobridge, 95 tomorrow in Bismarck, 96 in Henniger. A little cooler to the north, highs in the 80s because of more clouds, and you'll be on the northern side of a boundary. Dew points will also be a little bit on the rise in southern North Dakota tomorrow evening, and that will be some fuel for some evening and overnight thunderstorms. But for tonight, it'll be mostly quiet. There could be a couple of showers, maybe a rumble of thunder north of Highway 2 near the international border, but into our Monday, it'll be mostly sunny for the majority of the region. Again, this area of low pressure sliding through the boundary, denoting where areas will be warmer farther to the south. There could be a couple of showers along the international border during the morning hours, but into the afternoon we'll have a mostly sunny sky. Starting at about 5 o'clock tomorrow evening, we could see some strong to severe thunderstorms pop up on an isolated basis along and south of that boundary, where temperatures and dew points will be higher, but those isolated storms slide off to the east by about sunset. More widespread activity is anticipated during the overnight hours and into early Tuesday morning. Could have a line of storms coming through from northwest North Dakota into the central part of the state early Tuesday morning. Some strong winds might be possible with those storms before things calm down in terms of any severe weather potential. We'll still have a lot of clouds on Tuesday and some lingering showers with a stronger northeast wind introducing much cooler weather for Tuesday and Wednesday. Here's the outlook for severe thunderstorms on Monday evening and Monday night. Anywhere in the region could see an isolated severe storm with up to quarter-sized hail, and the wind threat for damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour is a little bit higher farther south. As we get into Monday evening, we'll have that northeast breeze, and it'll be picking up on Tuesday, introducing the cooler weather. We could have some gusts upwards of 30 miles per hour on Tuesday, but with the clouds and the cooler temperatures, the severe threat on Tuesday will be pushed down to our south. Check out these high temperatures for Tuesday in the 60s. Huge change compared to the 90s for some tomorrow. And in Williston, we could be breaking a record for how cold your high temperature will be. Even in places like Dickinson, it will be close. In Dickinson, you're likely to set a record minimum high temperature on a Wednesday with a high temperature forecast of 60 degrees. That would break the old high temperature forecast for the coldest high for that calendar day of 65 set back in 1962. A reminder, we should be in the 80s for this time of year. We've kind of on either side of the coin the next few days. Hot side tomorrow, then the cool side for Tuesday through Thursday before conditions warm up by next weekend.
Crazy. I mean, I'm over here shivering. I walked in here and I was like, whew, it's cold.
Land of the extremes here.
Right, yeah. Awesome. We appreciate you. Thank you so much. Well, the